These may be the last pair of headphones I'm ever gonna buy. So this is the TMA-2 HD Wireless Bluetooth headphones from AIAIAI. And what makes this thing unique is that it's modular, meaning that every part of this headphone is customizable, replaceable, and upgradable. From the cable, earpads, speaker units, and even headband. And personally for me, these headphones are a way more better investment than the regular pairs you see from other companies. So if you want to get a pair from AIAIAI, use this promo code FREEITEM to get a free soft carry case with your purchase. So before we talk about the reasons why I love the TMA-2s and why I think these are the best headphones ever, let me first rant about the headphone market and my current pair. Now most professional headphones have parts that are replaceable, like the cable and ear cup. But none of these headphone companies offer replaceable speaker units and headbands. And that sucks, because those parts are the most important and fragile things in a headphone unit. So if your headphone snaps or if a speaker gets busted, your headphones are basically dead, and you gotta spend a whole lot of money to get a new pair. Take my white headphones for example. I bought this thing 2 years ago and the leather ear cups are already deteriorating. Sure, I can replace it for $30 if I could even find a reseller here, but I won't be able to replace the headband and speaker unit, which has already started to turn red and yellow for some reason. And this frustration with these generic headphones brought me to find AIAIAI and the TMA-2s. So if anything, and I mean anything, breaks on this unit, I can get it replaced and even upgraded. And that's the best thing. You can literally customize every part of your headphones, and here's a quick overview of what you can opt for. So there's so many combinations you can make and potentially upgrade to, and that's what I love about this thing. These headphones evolve with you. As your needs as an artist grows, so does the option to customize and improve your headphones grow too. And I personally really enjoy how all these components come together to form a pair of headphones that have a sleek and timeless design with any combination. And speaking about combinations, let's talk about what comprises these TMA-2s of mine. Keep in mind that this is the flagship unit with the best possible parts already combined. Don't worry though, as I said a while ago, these headphones are customizable, and you can always opt for the $140 variant and upgrade to something like this later on. Anyway, let's start talking about this flagship unit, starting with its sound quality. So these are the SO5 speaker units and HO5 Bluetooth aptX HD headband. And in combination with each other, I'm getting pronounced mid-range, better dynamics, and more natural tonality compared to my last pair of headphones. And these are literally the best sounding headphones I have ever tried, no cap. Now what I especially like is the Bluetooth quality this headband delivers. It transmits about 24-bit high-res audio equal to CD quality, and it has about 16 hours of playback time as well. This headband though is not only wireless. You can plug in a variation of cables with different options as well, like length, quality, accessories, and even color. I personally got the 1.5 meter Triad Hi-Fi, and they honestly feel pretty premium for just a cable. Now between you and me, I can't really tell the audio quality difference between using this wired or wireless. Both just sound so amazing, and I've been using these headphones not only for DJing, but for leisure as well. Now you may wonder though, how do these headphones actually feel? Are they comfy? Well, yes. You can certainly feel a difference between using over-ear Alcantara memory foam over the standard leather variant you get from most headphones. Also, Alcantara foam is a foam they use in most high-quality cars, so you know that these things will last. And speaking of last, all of AIAIAI's packaging materials are recyclable. And one of their main goals is to actually have their headphone be made more out of recycled materials as well. And this for me is a huge step for DJ gear sustainability. So overall, this is the best pair of headphones I have ever had. And I feel proud owning them because the company who makes them not only supports modularity but sustainability as well. So if you're in the market for headphones, consider investing in AIAIAI because they will invest in you.